way to the first dent of the day. It's for a chap who owns a body shop, a small little body shop on the side of a car sales place that I go to a lot to do their dents. It's his own vehicle, he's had it for a few years, a van, and sod's law, when he comes to want to sell the vehicle, he's ended up with a small crease dent on the panel. Now it's across the sliding door and rear quarter panel, right up against the edge of the frame. So I don't think I'm going to get it out fully where it's gone over the frame. And I'm not sure yet whether the paint is damaged or not. I can see a white line kind of running through the damage. That might polish out, or I might need a little touching. But I said I'll go along, see what we can do. He wants to avoid, although he owns the body shop, he wants to avoid having to fill and paint both the slide door and rear quarter panel. So if we can get out the dents enough to kind of make it passable, then it saves him having to repair it, and he can just crack on with the sale. So I'll check in when we get there and show you around the damage and go through what I hope to do to fix it. So this is the dent, little crease dent right on the edge of the slide panel or slide door, right up against that frame. It's just chipped the paint a little bit, and it's just gone into that rear side panel as well. So nothing crazy, but it is in an awkward location. Chip the paint in a couple of places, but we'll see what we can do, see if we can avoid it being filled and painted. And I'm planning on putting a crease tab in here, doing some glue pulling. Probably do as much as I can from the outside, assuming there's very limited access to the inside. So for this repair, I'm using a couple of crease tabs. These are from Kiko, and I'm using their robo lifter to gently start lifting out some of the low. Now after my first time of glue pulling, I've pulled up the low on that rear side panel, left it slightly high so I can tap it down, but it has unfortunately chipped a bit more of the paint right across that frame. I continue the glue pulling process a bit more tapping down, but I didn't want to get it too far and risk taking any more of that paintwork off. So you can see it significantly reduced the damage overall, really taking your eye off it, but it's by no means perfect. There's a faint line, a faint scratch that runs through it, and it has chipped the paint in a couple of places. So it's just an improvement repair for this Transit today, but my customer's happy not to fill and paint both panels. He's going to give it a good polish and then apply a little bit of touch-up paint. So I never really like doing dents like that when you don't get them 100%. I mean, that was always going to be an improvement repair because of the paint damage to it. Just sort of chipped the paint on the back door and on the front of the rear panel. But I've taken out the majority of the dents. There is a tiny little hairline crease as it sort of tails off into that crease. If the paint wasn't damaged and we were going for 100% PDR, I could potentially take off the inner door card, get a brace tool or whale tail in and just finish the last of that crease. But it just wasn't worth doing with the paint damage that's there. He's going to have a touch-up regardless. So it's always nice when you get these dents out 100% and save the paintwork versus doing the improvement-only ones. But job done, customer's happy, so we're now on to the next dent.